Hello and welcome back to Codecraft and Tech Review, and today we are going to learn how we're going to sum or add numbers in Python. So let's get started. And as you can see, I'm in Python coding folder, and here I'm going to create a new file with the name of sum.py, and the file has been created. Now I'm going to create variables. X is equals to 10, y is equals to 20. So basically variables are those which stores the value or numbers or any value or any data type. So hex is storing 10, y is storing 20, and I need to create another variable is z is storing sum x plus y. So the result has been stored in z variable, and now it's time to print that, and the sum of two number is z. So let's print its output. Now the output, as you can see, the sum of two number is 30. So if you want to sum or add numbers by getting user input, then you need to do x is equals to int input, enter any number, and y to store another number. So int input, enter another number. So x is storing the first value, y is storing another value, and now I'm going to create new variable to store its sum x plus y. Now it's time to print them. So to print that, we need to use print command. Sum of two number is z. Now let's see the output. At first it is asking user enter any number, so I'm giving here 20. Enter another number, I'm going to input 30, and so the output is the sum of two number is 50. Thank you. So this was for today. Hope to see you soon in another video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.